back. Check it out. Let's lower this just a wee bit. Hello, folks. Here it's me again. What am I doing? I'm sitting on a big red. I picked up a POS. Basically, it is nothing to look at. I didn't buy it because of the bike. I bought it because of the motor. There's a motor over there. There's nothing in here. This is just it has a metal tank. Came with a gas cap and a really interesting coating inside, which I don't know. It's pretty gross. So I don't know. It looks pretty gross in there. Gas cap's good. What's happening with this? I'm gonna strip this down and get it out of my way and put it in the parts pile over there. Why? Because I'm using a few parts off this and I'm putting that one back together. I'm one piece away from, I need the wheels and the hubs to put on that one. I'm one part away from getting that thing rolling. I got the front end and I got the wheels and I have the rear hub. So apparently the motor over here needs a set of piston rings, so I gotta order a set of piston rings for that one. The dude also came with it, was sold me a 300 overbore kit. I don't know how to install pistons and stuff, so I don't know. Apparently I gotta change the piston rings on that, check the piston out, and then hone the motor. So I'm gonna learn something new. What I'm gonna do is take this apart. Apparently there's no gas in it, no engine, and it's pretty ugly. Front rack is toast. The handlebars don't even look stock. They look lower actually. Those have got bigger handlebars and the other one's got bigger ones, so that's toast. Comes with 2 keys. So how good these work, no idea. So yeah, it's bent. This one doesn't work either. Keys don't work. It doesn't start, no motor. It's got a back rack. I don't know how bent up it is. Front rack is totaled. It's got the triple T forks. Look, okay. The tank wobbles a little. Probably because it's not screwed down properly. I got one of these though, which is nice. So anyway, I'm going to be taking this apart, putting over there. Have some more workspace sometime this week. Stay tuned, and I'll probably just put the camera on and start taking shit apart. So stay tuned. See if I can stop this thing now. Nope. Stay tuned. Well, I'll add some bonus footage here. This is the rack. The front headlight assembly's missing. That's wrong. There's a fender missing here. That trunk right here is broken. The trunk box is broken. That's broken. The back rack looks like it's a little bit bent. I don't know how bent it is, but it comes with a very open motor. That thing is welded on. Apparently it needs to come off. Comes with decent tires. The tires on the front look like they have a little bit of dry rot in them. A couple of cracks. They should make a paste you can stick in there for glue. You can see on that side. It's a basket case. I'll show you inside I don't know what kind of coating they put in here, but I've never seen a red interior gas tank before in my life. It looks pretty crusty. That's like some gas tank coating over probably a pile of rust. So anyway, it is what it is. It's all good. Got a couple of nice dents in it. Seat I can use. Tires temporarily, and ta-da! So it's got a few little parts. I'm going to be using the front axle. So stay tuned and keep watching.